Hello and welcome to the next tutorial. Now we are looking at the drive error diagnosis. For that we are going to service drives, and here we can select the drive that we want to take a look at in more detail. And since we are only having one drive at the moment, we can only select drive 1. And in order to see how this function is built up, we are going to take a look at the SCADA editor project. And here in service drives, we have the view for that, and we have a drive selection with a drop down where we can select the drive. And here in drop down extended, we can say what is the text for the value that we want to set. So first one is please select, that is the value of 0, and then we have to drive 1, which is the value of 1, which is written into the drive error selection variable. We can see if we have a drive warning with an LED. As you can see, we are looking at the drive warning variable in the status struct, and we have a drive error LED, which is just doing the same with the drive error variable. And we can see the number of errors and the error list, which is linked to the container offset variable and a container variable of iDrive error offset, which you can increment or decrement with these buttons here. So here you can see increment, or this is the decrement function, and this is the increment function. And now let's take a look at the PLC project. Here in the HMI in set, we can see the drive error selection, which we were selecting in the drop down. So here you can see that we have a value of 1 at the moment. So we select the first drive, and in the HMI out, we have a drive error selection variable that we write, and this is the index of the drive error array, and it will take that error message from the drive error function block and copy that to the interface variable. And the drive error function block is in the function block instances, technology, cyclic technology here, and drive read error, here we have it. So if we go down and we take a look at the structure in the watch window, we can also see here that we have the drive error, the first one, because we are linked to the axis index variable, which is 1. So we need to take a look at that, and we can see that it's enabled. Continuous check is on. So we are checking every 2 seconds for an error in the drive, and it's active. And here we can see the error list, which is empty at the moment. If we take a look at the HMI project again, and I will now execute an application error in the drive. Now we can see we have the application error. We get a error LED highlighted and the error number, and also an alarm for that, of course. In the PLC project, we can also see that we have an error in the function block. The number of errors is the first index, which is 1, and then we have the error number 175.